ganun pala, no? Madami talagang, product ang, pati lips meron, para sa mata meron. So, mahirap talagang hindi ka sanay. So, Jeshie Urs here again, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about a brush, a technique brush for my daily use makeup. So as you know guys, wala pa akong makeup tutorial kasi hindi ako marunong mag-makeup. But right now I have some brush which is daily use. I need to buy more para ma-practice ko yung sarili ko to make or to learn how to use makeup. So yes, I have some here, the new. This one is everyday essentials. One is about the lips. So ito po yung mga tools ng lipstick for lips. So actually nabili ko siya discount, I think 50 kroner. Nabili ko siya last year and ngayon ko lang siya gagamitin. Ito siya. So, 4 na to siya. So, meron din naman siya sa likod. Nakalagay. So, one in here is Prep. It's a lip smoothing brush. And the other one is lip lining. The other one for color. The other one for perfect, and the other one is storage. So ito po yung storage niya. A real technique storage. Lip soothing brush. So may nakalagay din pala dito. Is a lip soothing brush. So, matigas siya. Pero I like the color kasi black pink in your area. Ito siya. Yan siya. Medyo matigas siya. Yes, and brush. So, ito na yung lip lining brush. Malambot siya. Ito siya. Parang easy lang siya. Na-try talaga. So, yeah, lip lining brush. Ito po. Hindi siya by number. But, may naka-indicate naman kung para saan. So, yes. And, next one is lip brush. So, ito na yung lip brush. Lang siya. Ito po, lip brush. So, may ganun pala yun. Madami talagang, product ang, pati lips meron, para sa mata meron. So, mahirap talagang hindi ka sanay. So, ito naman yung fan lip brush. Fan lip brush ito. Nakalagay, fan lip brush. So, anong nakalagay sa fan lip brush is multifunctional fan shape lips for perfect outer edge of your lips or highlight. So, bali yung ganun, pang pa-highlights dito, di ba? Yeah, ganun pala. So, yes, that's all here. Nalagay ko na siya. And may mirror din siya. Actually, may mirror. So, halimbawa, may magli-lipstick ka. Tignan natin. So, ganun lang. So, not bad. Nabili ko siya 50 kroner. And here's my new baby brush. So, madami na akong brush. Neon from Real Technique. So, yes. And Real Technique is one of the famous brand which is, I like it right now compared to other brand. Kasi, marami talaga akong brush na hindi ko ginagamit na. So, I'm thinking to throw it na. And then, I have one. Thank you guys so much for staying with me. And I hope see you soon. Bye! Bye!